How's everyone doing today? So, currently I am in Platte City, Missouri. About an hour ago, I dropped off my friend Austin that you guys saw either earlier in this video or in the video prior. Dropped him off, ate some lunch with his grandma, really nice lady. We ate just on over there, right over there, not the vape sign, no, we didn't eat at a vape store, but ate at a Mexican place. It's really good. It apparently had like 4.8 stars, which is honestly better rated than most of the places to eat in Olathe, which I find kind of crazy considering this town is only like, oh, I don't know, 5 or 10 square miles. Now I'm waiting another hour or so. Let's see, it's like 2:07 right now. Another hour or so to leave for Kearney, Missouri, where I will be meeting up with a guy that has a used lift kit. I know that's kind of sketchy, and I trust me, I know that much. But he only wants $400 for $2,300 lift. So if it's worth it, then I'll buy it. But if it's not, I'm walking away, driving home, and cutting my losses for the day. I'll just keep looking. And, you know, I've just been sitting here watching some YouTube. Oh shit, my phone turned off. As you guys can see here, I'm watching some Mighty Car Mods. Super fun. Always fun. Yeah, it's like 85 outside, but good God, with my AC blasting, it is really hot still. I cannot, I'm sweating a little bit, but gotta do it sometimes, you know. I work a lot, so don't really bother me. It's just kind of uncomfortable. You gotta deal with some uncomfortability. One of those two words if you're gonna want to get what you want, and you gotta work hard for what you want. Why not? So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I don't know if I'll take any video of once I'll get there, because it just feels weird throwing a camera in a guy's face that I don't even know. But yeah, I'll keep you. Man, look at that thing over there. That's fucking sick. Getting some gas. Get out of the way. Getting some gas for that thing. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so I moved locations. I'm now at the Quick Trip across the street because I have been in that CVS twice, and I don't want to go in there a third time and go to the bathroom, because then they'll be like, why is this guy back? So, going to the Quick Trip to go to the bathroom. Alright guys, we are on the road. Headed about 35 minutes and 26 miles away from where I was stationed. Just chilling out, waiting for the time to move. And we're going to check out a really cool surprise for you guys. And a really cool surprise for me, hopefully, if it's in good condition. But I will, again, keep you updated. And hopefully it's good news. Alright guys. Guys, we are almost home with the probably stupid purchase that I made. But as you guys can see, yeah, that's all you're seeing. But look at, what the hell, man? I got shit hanging off the side of my bed. And I gotta tell you, that 50-minute drive was probably the sketchiest drive I've ever had. So terrified. But anyway, I'm gonna get home and start ripping this thing apart, because that's what I'm gonna have to do. Peace out. Whew. Alright guys, calling it a night for tonight. Got a lot of stuff done though. I got actually a bunch of stuff done. So we have, let's see if I have it
This is the back. So we have most of the passenger side taken apart, and we're starting on the driver's side. We have all of this stuff down here. I'm on my phone right now, by the way, because my other camera is dead. But we have the knuckle. We have the CV spacers. And we have the impact braces off. And then we also have all of the steering, which is that. We have one of the CV axles, which I won't be using, and then the, oh shit, what is this called? Whatever, you know what it is. Skipping my mind right now. I'll show you what's left. Oh yeah, and this is all the parts we use right here. Or tools, I guess. Sawzall, we had to cut off a bolt. Wasn't being fun. But if we come on out here, we have, well, obviously, chassis is still in the truck. So right now I have two front ends of trucks. One that's on the truck and one that's in the truck. So we still have the traction bar, or not the traction bar, the torsion bars. And this is the side that's all taken apart. Can't really see it very well. But, yep. Lower control arm, upper control arm, all this is apart. And all we have left is over on this side, which is brakes, knuckle, shock, and then CV axle and spacer back there. Then we have these two brackets that we have to get off. One's up here, one's in there. And then we have to get the differential out, get all that off. And then we have to put it back on to this truck, which will be fun. Yep, but see you guys back in the morning. It's been a long day of doing hard work. Alright guys, we are back out here. It's about 10 a.m. right now. So I'm getting started pretty early on this project here. Main reason for that is I have work at 4, so I'm going to try to get as much done here as I can, and then head over to work, get all that done, come back, maybe work on it some more before it gets dark. Don't know yet, but we'll see. So anyway, I went over it last night, but still have to get the knuckle off, the shock, and the CV out. I have the control arm link, that's what it's called, and the caliper off along with the rotor. So we have some stuff off on this side, but this passenger side is where it's at. We have the knuckle off, we have the CV and the CV spacer out. We have, well, I mean all of this stuff right where this was. There's a bunch of steering stuff and stabilizer stuff. And then I have the stabilizer link, that's what it's actually called. Man, I'm just spacing on a lot of stuff today. Yeah, but, well, it's going pretty well. These shocks were shot, so I'm gonna have to get new shocks. But anyway, I'm gonna keep after it. Keep you guys updated. We've made some progress. I'll show you that right now. So, we got the upper control arm knocked off, so the knuckle's laying on down there. We have all 4 of these frame bolts off, which will really help with the weight. Most of the weight is on the frame. So, if we can get the frame out of here, we pretty much have just the parts that we need left to get off. Obviously, we don't need the lower control arms, because those are stock. We don't need these bad boys right here, the torsion bars, because, well, I already have torsion keys on mine, which, I don't know, I might take off and turn back to stock, or I might just dumb them down a little bit. But, yeah, we're moving right along. We're pretty much to the point where we can take off this frame. We just got to work at it and slide it off these brackets. I'll keep you guys updated. So we got the rest of the frame off. So all that's left is the lower control arms and the actual kit. Well, and the differential, but you know. Oh, I guess I still have that knuckle over there. But now, whew, she's much lighter. Look at that. One-handed. Yep. Gonna eat some food and get going on it again before I have to go to work at 4. We have the frame off. One of the bolts for the differential off. This bolt right here is not coming at all. We've tried a lot of things. So I don't know. Might have to break it off, I don't know. But anyway, we're just about down to, well, bare bones. We just need to get the lowers off on each side, that knuckle, that stabilizer link, and then obviously the front differential. And then, yeah, put the lift onto my truck is next, I guess. Yeah, so we got the frame over there, torsion bars over here, all the stuff that we don't need over here, all the stuff that we do need over here. Yeah, so we're looking good so far. It's been a long day, but now I have to go to work, so that's always fun. Catch you guys back up once I get back from work. What's up, guys? So we have everything, and I mean everything, separated for the lift kit. Here it is. So we got the impact struts. We got 3 of the shocks because 1 blew. These are probably trash anyway, so we'll get new ones. We got the knuckles. We got the differential spacer. We got the torsion bar drops. We got the CV spacers. We got the front end links. We got both of the brackets, and this right here, this is where these 2 pieces right here were stuck. What we had to do is we had to pretty much melt out this whole bushing right here because the actual bolt was seized to the metal sleeve that goes inside of that bushing, so that was a pain in the ass. And then we got the rear blocks and U-bolts. So on over here we have the rotors that came off that truck and one of the shitty CVs. And then over here we have literally all of the parts that I took off of this thing that I'm going to try to sell to try to get some money. But might not work. Might. Don't know. But anyway, here's the actual front differential. And then on under here, got all the steering stuff. So yeah, it's all taken apart. So now all that I have to do is clean them up, throw some paint on them, and put them on the truck. And that would be pretty dope. Oh yeah, we got the torsion bars over there too. Forgot about that. Yeah, so if you guys need any of it, let me know, because I'll have it. But fair warning, some of it might not be the best. So if it doesn't work, just bring it back. But I assume you guys probably won't need any of that bullshit. But yeah, anyway, keep you guys updated.